Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. We're going flying again today. We're up in the hills. We're flying a new spot. And we're going to be flying this ridge here. There's a little bit of a ravine we call the chute. We're going to fly down that, try to dive it a couple times, fly to the top, fly over here at these rock formation areas and give that a go. Just get out and horse around. It's a beautiful day. Sun's out. It's going to be a nice weekend. And it's time to get in the air. Usual stuff. We got the 8-inch quad running the 7-inch props. And we're just going to be messing around with some camera angles today too. See how that does. Maybe make a couple of flights. So let's go do it. Sounds like it's armed.
Okay, verify home distance and altitude.
0 feet. Altitude's -2. We're good. Everything's working there. 10 sats. That's recording. The GoPro's recording. Everything's running. I guess we can go flying. You just got to keep the eye on that voltage chart though.
Yep.
For me, please. Off we go.
Okay.
Into the wild blue yonder. I guess I'll just head to the top of the slide for starters, huh?
Mm-hmm.
$18 miles an hour, voltage is 3.82.
And you're about at the top of the ridge now.
As far as your line of sight goes?
As far as my line of sight goes.
I'm not even there though. I'm just over the big rock slide below us. I'm gonna lean forward. Some speed.
You just went out of my line of sight there.
Well, I'm heading towards the top of the chute.
Okay, I see you now.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn around actually and look at the home point. There's the 3 slide things. Oh, there's where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh my. I'm coming back to us. That's a Kodak moment.
Mm-hmm.
Where's my Kodachrome? You can keep the thing just pointed out. Let's see how this Omni works.
Okay.
Should work good, I guess.
Still got 2 antennas. That works good.
Okay, voltage 3.76. Let's do a little flying around here and look at the spot. Okay, I'm going back to the top of the chute.
Okay.
3.77. Time is 2 minutes. I want to be landing between 17 and 19 minutes. Starting to get some noise or something in the feed here. Interesting. That amp meter's off so far.
Yeah, it's reading so far off. It's reading 40.
It's worthless, isn't it?
I can't even use it.
We're going to have to go by the voltage in the paper.
Mm-hmm. I mean, you'd be up to 5,000 milliamps in a minute.
Time for a new flight controller. That's what I think it is. It's the... You have your cell phone in your pocket?
No.
Okay.
It's in the car.
I'm trying to figure out what's making these lines. It's an old road up here. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's fly from the top of the chute.
Okay.
Just to survey this before we do anything. We're going to go towards the high peak.
Okay.
As we got a lot of power here, and just kind of take a look here, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll fly from the top of the chute, kind of towards the high peak, and then we'll fly over towards the Lone Pine.
Okay.
You know.
But
I'm going to be near the top of the peak, I think.
I'm tracking you.
3.67. What I want to do is get up here and do a peekaboo over the top here. Peekaboo. I want to make sure I got line of sight. We're down there somewhere. I hope that's us. Oh, that's not us. Where are we?
Back here.
Is that us down there? Oh no, that's the ridge. We're way down to the right. Okay. Man, this wide lens is so disorienting. Probably can see down there. I just kind of wanted to see what was down there. Oh, I see where we're at.
Yeah, I do too now.
That kind of looks like a U-turn spot there in gray, right? Or you see the car. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Let's fly towards Lone Pine. Let's just give this a little survey here. 375. I guess Lone Pine's off to our left. Yeah, I'm right below Lone Pine. Head towards the, yeah, I'm at Lone Pine. Okay. And I'm gonna go to 3 veins.
Okay.
I mean, I'm leaving Lone Pine, going to the veins. The top of the veins. You know where I'm at?
I know where you're at.
I'm at the top vein, going from left to right on your screen.
One there, top one, running down along it.
Dude, we having fun here.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Do a peekaboo. There's Canyon Lake.
Way over there.
I don't want to go too far. Yeah, I don't want to be diving down these veins too much here. 372.
I can sight all 3 of them. That's not a...
I know, I don't want to go below it. I can easily be below the thing before I know it, you know?
Yep. You do that and you're in trouble.
Yeah, I want to actually make another pass on the veins here, okay? I'm going between Lone Pine and the vein again, just to film here.
Going down the middle one now.
Yeah, exactly. I'm climbing too. Pushing the battery here. I like that middle one. Right.
All right.
Yeah, baby. You see that tree? Tried to get me. Let's go back towards the Lone Pine.
Okay.
But we're gonna at Lone Pine and tell you what, let's go down this ridge to us, from Lone Pine to us.
Okay.
So you can just, here we go. It's gonna be really fun when we get a cinema camera. Oh, we're the crazy man. 3.55. We're heading towards the
I got you.
chute.
Gotcha.
I like this amp meter. Right. 8,000. I don't think so. So we wanted to land between 3.30 and 3.25-ish, right?
That's right.
3 straight up we need to be in the approach corridor.
Mm-hmm. We're at 350 now.
This is, you know, using more battery, and 9 minutes, doing a lot of climbing here, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go up here and dive down this chute.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down the chute, and then I'm gonna hang left and go up the slab.
Okay.
Yeah, eating voltage here, but it will cover as we go down. Top of the chute.
Gotcha.
It's a pretty area.
Mm-hmm.
This will be fun to look at later and totally, you know, study this stuff. Okay, Mr. Bug, get out here. Look like the remnants of an old road up here. Right here on the right.
Mm-hmm. I see it. Okay.
Chute to chute.
Here we go.
Where's my slab at?
I don't know, watch for that yellow pine that's down at the bottom.
Oh yeah, where is he? He's right there.
Right
isn't he?
there.
No, wait, where's that yellow pine?
There's the slab.
Where's the slab? Where's the slab?
I don't know.
I don't see
you
it
just
from-
rolled off of it in the right corner.
I don't see it from, it must
can't-
be way in our foreground, like.
Right, well, it rolled off the right bottom corner just a little while ago.
Okay, I'm just flying. I think the slab is right below me, right
there.
there.
It is. Uh-huh.
So this is the slab right here, way over here, 3.42. There's the slab, so I can go down to, oh, I see the tree now down there. Oh, I see. Okay, I could do another pass. Okay, I got it. I got kind of a mental feel for what it looks like at the bottom there when to pull up now. Look at our voltage.
3.37.
God, I wish we had a good amp meter. You know, 11 minutes. I'm gonna cross the slab. Voltage is recovering because I'm backing off the throttle. But still, I think when we do this dive, we'll have to really look at the voltage and see where we're at. There's that tree. I just can't go any lower than that. There's the tree on the right. There it is.
I see it now.
Yeah, okay. 330. We'll fly level for a second here. Fly back towards us.
330 is 3,700 milliamps.
Yeah, let's fly. Let's get a nice scenic shot of us.
Okay.
Here's another ravine I could go down. Good stuff. What we're gonna do is 338. Okay, we're good. We're stabilizing voltage a little bit here. I'm gonna go out, like you said. Go this way.
Gotcha.
Yeah, thanks for cutting that tree down, actually. 331. Just flying close because we're going to land it not too far. 14 minutes. We need to start thinking about where we're going to land. don't we?
Yep. I can move the pad behind the car or up here if you want. If it's not too much of a slope.
Behind the car.
Back behind me.
Yeah, why don't you do that?
Let me move it and see what happens. I'll be right back.
Take your time. You got the antenna pointed. We're good. We're omnis.
Let's see, where are
We're
you?
good.
I got you pointed at him now. I'm going to move now.
All right. You're going to put it...
The Omni should pick you up.
Yeah, we're good. We're great. I'm just going to film here.
Fairly flat spot up there.
Go ahead and put it where you think's a good spot.
Just past us. Can you see me? Turn around so you can see me.
Okay, I'm just filming us here.
I'm going to be standing at the landing site.
You're in front of the car, behind the car. You're in between us and the car. Oh, I see you.
Okay, that's your landing site.
Okay. Okay, we're good. We got a little bit of power here still. Yeah, I'll come in and do that in a second here. 15-minute flight. I got about another minute of flight time here. So I'm just gonna do a couple of, you can get back to the antenna. And I'm just gonna do a pickup shot of 329, 330. I just wanna get a slow pass here of us.
I see you coming over the car here.
Okay, I think we're gonna think about landing here in a minute.
Okay.
We got big stick. Yeah, the throttle. Oh, I see the pad now. Okay. I'm not near those trees, am I? No.
No,
That's a good spot.
you're good. You're right over the top. Here. You're good. You're in a good spot. You're a little to the right. Oh, right on it there. Oh, you hit it.
Power down. Save and exit. 17-minute flight. 1 million milliamps used. That's wrong. Can you stop the recording on the Sharky Bite thingy?
Sure.
Press down on that. I'll watch that for you here. That's off. Thank you. We did it again.
How about
Survived the odds. Oh, I
That's a
can't
nice
believe
flight.
it.
Is that 17 minutes? Yeah.
Yeah, 17 and change, right?
Uh-huh. That's 3,700 milliamps.
That's a good safe number for guys that don't have a milliamp meter. So all I need to do is stop the go. Oh, I did kind of hit it, sort of.
Yeah, you did.
We're going to have to inspect the props,
You did a good
though.
job.
Well, that was a good flight. We survived again. Nothing exciting. Wind's picking up. Had a little video noise. We're going to have to look into that. Anyways, I think it's time for lunch and time to start driving home. Thanks for watching. You're gonna bounce, man. Maybe we can like catapult you out.
Yeah.